Hey there, this is Jeff with Eternity Shore, and it is December 23rd, 2024, and it's about 25 degrees today, so it's a bit chilly. And I am headed to the boat for the first time since we put the tarp on, which was about a month ago. Those of you that watched that video recently, I haven't been back. So, hoping to get this video out within days. Merry Christmas to everybody. I'm about five minutes away from the marina, and I have no idea how the tarp is doing. None, zero. The cameras are not working there in the yard anymore, so that's kind of a bummer, honestly, but it's disappointing because there's no gate on our marina, and we can just kind of walk in, and so the boat's sitting there, and I don't have any eyes on it. One of you guys on YouTube, shout out to Todd, thanks for wanting to go check on the boat for me. As I pull in, I will video what I see for the first time in the yard. Alright, so I'm about 5 minutes away. I'll get right back to you. I don't know if I've ever shared a shot of this, but this is Martin State Airport as I come into the area where the marina is. Okay. Pulling in now. Oh. Not good. Not good at all. Looks like it collapsed.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, how are you?
Stopped over to check it out.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, it obviously collapsed and there's a ton of water in there, so I got to get up in there with a ladder and see what's going on. Okay, so those front two collapse forward, they move forward. This area is kind of hanging in there. I think I'm gonna need to bring some PVC in here. Thankful for this. Like last time, having the bimini structure is definitely helpful. So you could see up there's a ton of water. I was worried this was going to be wet because I still have this hatch has been leaking. So I'm happy that it's not wet. So that's probably a big thing of ice. Gotta get in there, see. So I can't get this to come up. I think what I need to do is actually cut the tarp there on the side, both sides. Let the water drain on the outside of the boat here. And then I can lift up the ice. Because there's a lot of water in here, there's also a lot of ice. But I can re-tape it, or I could tape it with shrink wrap tape, and I think that would work. So I think I gotta poke a hole in it, because I cannot, by myself, get this ice up. All right, fun times. I got a hole over there draining. I got a hole there draining. Hopefully once I get this up, I'm gonna take that PVC pipe and build a cage underneath in case this collapses again. There's still a lot of ice in there. It's maybe too heavy for me to move, I'm not sure. We'll see. It's sunny out right now. It's super cold, but it's sunny. So I'm gonna give this a good hour or so to drain, and I'll come back, see what we got. I've come back 2 hours later, still leaking out on both sides. I think I have to piss that other one. All right, we'll try to get this up. So you can clearly see the problem there. Collapsed. Look how thick that is. I don't know, like 3 inches thick. That's ice. avoid some things under there, but I'm gonna need help to get that out. Look at that. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, I came back to the boat a couple days later with my son, and we're gonna see if that ice, how manageable that ice is. It was about 3 inches thick. From my appearance here, it looks like it's maybe an inch thick now. Oh, okay. Huh. Okay. Okay, so we decided to break up this ice by getting this ginormous ladder and breaking it up from the bow. Okay, so I just did the starboard side. Here's the port side. You can see the ice is still about 3 inches thick. There you go. All right. Okay, so after much work, we were able to get all that ice off, and then raise this back up with the beams. And in the previous episode, when we put this together, I had this PVC pipe that I didn't use, and this time what we did was we put together these two structures, two little cages here, that if the beams fall, it will fall then on the structure and not go too much below the railing, which was part of the problem because the water then pooled and it iced below the railing. Now the other thing that I did deliberately, and you see here, is I poked some holes in the tarp here where it's okay to leak, because it will leak here and then run down the side. As it rains tomorrow and the next day, hopefully the rain will go over the sides, and the ones that leaks in will go off to the bow and into the boat yard.